So here's how to check earnings. So here's how to check total earnings on TikTok. It's quite simple, so let's get started. First of all, you need to go and open up your TikTok application. And from here, you need to bottom down, you will probably see the profile icon. So simply tap on the profile and you will get into the profile. Then on the right upper side on the three dots, you need to tap on, and then you can see the TikTok studio option. So select that one and it will load, and from the above side you will probably see view all option. So you need to tap on the view all, and now the earnings will be shown here, estimated viewers. So that's how you can simply check. So that's how you can simply check total earnings on TikTok. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.